Hi, so the platform I'm going to be demonstrating today is Socrative, and it's basically just a platform that you can make quick quizzes for your students during class to test them on the knowledge that they just learned throughout the class. Now on the first page here, you obviously see you can have quizzes, speed race, or the exit ticket. The exit ticket is just a quick quiz that they have to take before they can leave the class. Speed race is when you can put them into groups and they compete against each other to answer the questions as fast as possible. And this is just a regular quiz, which I'll demonstrate how to do. And I'll do world facts. You can either pick instant feedback, open navigation, or teacher paced. The instant feedback is they can't skip questions. They have to answer it one by one, and they get the answer right back after they answered if it's wrong or if it was right. Open navigation, they can go to any question that they want and answer it, and they get their answers or the results after the exam is over. And teacher paced is where you determine how fast the students answer the questions. Say you want to go through a reading, you go through the reading as a class, and then you tell them to answer the question based on the reading that you just did, and then you move on together as a group. And we'll just do instant feedback. And then this just shows how many got question 1 right, question 2, question 3, question 4, and question 5. You can do more questions if you want, and you can do fewer if you want. There's no numbers in here because I did not have a class to take the quiz, so it's just showing what the results would be after. And then you can get the report, you can get in the chart once the students finish the quiz. You can also go on here, you can create your own quizzes, and you can search different types of quizzes on here that you could use for your classroom, such as like biology. I guess there's none there, but you can create your own, and then you can just reuse them over the years of teaching because they will all save right here. Rooms is a discussion board almost where you can go on, record yourself, and students can come in and listen to what you had to say. Say you didn't go over a certain topic you want to go in class, you can record yourself what they missed in class, and they can come and listen to it whenever they want, so they're not behind. And then this page is just the results from different types of quizzes. You can go back and see how each student was doing, and you can even redo quizzes to see the progression that they made throughout their quizzes. And that's basically it.